Hello kids, welcome to my class. I am teacher Dhanya. I will be taking today's class with the topic food and digestion. My topic for today includes food, nutrition, nutrients, digestion and digestive system. Okay, before going deep into the core subject, I would like to know from you about what actually a food is and about the nutrients, digestion and digestive system. I will give a short introduction as well. Okay, so what is actually a food? You all know that you've been eating food daily 3 to 4 times a day, right? So can anybody tell what a food is? Like food, yeah, it's tasty. Yes, it gives us energy to, play. But not really play, you need energy for doing work, exercises, studying, and even for sleep you need food. You can even think of going to bed starving, isn't it? But keep in mind that you should practice a mindful eating. Don't eat anything that comes in your plate. Okay, just be a mindful eater. Okay, then after that it is nutrient. What actually is nutrient? The best thing that I can explain to is like this. I have bring you a packet. It's full of iron. So this packet consists of the nutritional fat, which gives us calories, fat, cholesterol, sodium, total carbohydrates. These are the percentages of nutrients or the substances that each packet contains. You all are very well aware of this, right? So what actually is a nutrient? Yeah, nutrient is actually a chemical substance, It's a chemical substance and it also starts with nutrients actually start from food that we eat. And a better nutrition means the quality of someone's choice of food, So a food means any substance that the living things eat or drink which will make us stay alive and provides energy. But coming to the nutrients, it is the chemical substances in the food that are getting absorbed by the body in order to provide us with energy, and this nutrition will keep us healthy. Now our next topic is the classification. Nutrients can be classified into macronutrients, micronutrients, water and fiber. Macronutrient means these nutrients consist of very large molecules and micronutrients very small molecules. These nutrients are very hard to get absorbed by the body and these are easily absorbed by the body. Then water and fiber. Okay. So the macronutrients consist of proteins, carbohydrates and fat. I will explain you what actually a protein is. Protein, protein, you've been hearing the word protein in everywhere. If you went to a beauty shop, you may have noticed that keratin, collagen, everything in any product. So these proteins are everywhere in our body, from skin, hair to bones, and proteins can be called as the building blocks of the body. Our body is made up of cells. Okay, so the cells uses these proteins and it gives that nutrients, it gives them proteins to other body organs in order to function properly. So if you want to run, if you want to walk, we need protein. And even for the blinking of the eye also we need these kinds of nutrients. So proteins are the building blocks of body, and it is used for making many important chemicals in our body like enzymes and antibodies. Have you heard of the word enzymes? Enzymes is also are also a chemical substance generated within our body, and they are actually used in helping in regulating the digestion process and regulating the body temperatures. The enzymes contribute to these all things in our body. And antibodies is like you may all have experienced the condition called fever. You know, fever is not actually a disease, it is actually a symptom. You know, our body has a capability like if a foreign external factor like bacteria, viruses enter our body, then the body will automatically thrive or fight to expel that foreign body from our body. So for that they generate antibodies. So antibodies will fight back any foreign particles that enter our body. So protein helps in producing these types of enzymes and antibodies. Next macronutrient is carbohydrates. Okay, I forgot to tell you which all foods you should have in your diet. These are the protein rich foods. Okay, these are the protein rich foods like salmon, legumes, lentils and meat. You should definitely include them, particularly the children, because you are like growing, you know, you should take a lot of protein in your diet. Next is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is used to provide energy, same thing. Yeah, I told you, even for blinking of eye, even to sleep, we need energy. And it actually fuels the body. What? That means it keeps us very active. That is why the kids are asked by the parents and doctors to take more carbohydrates, because you need energy for everything, because you are like blabbering in the class, you need energy. And you went to play, you need energy. You go to study, you need energy. Even for playing the games also you need energy. So better take carbohydrates. Okay, the foods, there are two types of carbohydrates, which is sugar and starch. These are two types of carbohydrates. You know, this bread, potatoes, rice and cereals, they actually contain the starchy carbs, and the sugar is contained in the fruit, juices, cookies, and even in colas also. I say it, you regularly take colas, right? I know that. But it's not healthy, I must say. Okay? Then next is fat. Yeah. Fat is a term that usually get a bad rap in society, you know, like if we eat something more, then everybody will make you cautious, because you will become very huge because the fat started depositing in your body. Okay, so fat also is a main source of energy for all of us, and this fat is usually seen underneath our skin. It is stored inside the skin, and it is actually help to make new cell membranes. You know, these are the foods that are rich in fat. There are saturated fats and unsaturated fats are there. It's better to take unsaturated fat. You know, the saturated fats are contained in sugary things and very oily things. You don't take any fried foods if you want a good health. So these olives, this coconut oil, flaxseed, avocado and yogurt are super rich fat food. Next is micronutrients. Micronutrients, there are vitamins and minerals. Okay, vitamins are very essential for a healthy vision, skin, glowy and strong skin, and strong bones and strong teeth. Okay, there are actually almost 13 essential vitamins and examples like vitamin A, vitamin C, B12, D, etc. So the main function of these vitamins are to ward off the diseases. That is, it will improve the immunity of our body so that no diseases will enter into our body. And it also helps in healing the body. If you get a wound, it will get easily healed if we are taking vitamins. Okay. Next is minerals. When I say minerals, I know you all have thought about rocks and sand and soil. Okay, it's right. Minerals are found in soil, rocks and sand, and they keep a structure for these rocks and sand, isn't it? Same thing happens in our body also. These minerals will provide a structure to the bone and the teeth, and to get a strong teeth, to get a strong bone, we need to take various minerals. It also regulates the metabolism in your body, and it make you stay properly hydrated. Okay. And most common minerals that we use are calcium, iron and zinc. Okay, calcium, iron and zinc are the minerals that are being used by our body. I know every doctors and every parents will insist you to take milk daily because milk is a calcium rich food, and you should definitely take iron containing food also. I can give you some examples like dates are a good source of iron. Okay, and I will show you these. I'm not sure whether you are seeing this clearly or not. Anyway, I will give you the PPT after my class. Okay, these the vitamins are contained. Vitamins and minerals are in green leafy vegetable, colorful vegetables like this. For eye, for the good vision, you have to take carrot daily. Carrot is very rich in vitamin A. And next is water. You know, water, 62% of our body contains water. So it actually improves the brain function and the mood. And it also acts like a shock absorber. And it lubricates the body also. Okay. So you may be thinking, what is like a lubricant? Have you seen oils that are being put into certain machines to make the work smoothly? So same thing happens in our body also. This water makes our joints, makes our ligaments move very smoothly. Okay, so the water also help out to flush out the toxins that we get from food, air and everything, and it also carries nutrients to other body cells and body organs through the blood streams. Next is fiber. Fiber is actually another nutrient which helps to keep the food moving easily through our digestive system. Otherwise, we will get a condition called constipation. we get fiber from fresh fruit and vegetables. Make sure that you include fibrous fruit in your daily food. Next is like balanced diet. I was actually continuously saying to include vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats in your diet daily. Often I was saying this just to make everybody healthy. Okay, so we can get a healthy body if we follow a very balanced diet. So balanced diet means a diet that provides adequate amount of nutrients in order to perform the bodily functions very smoothly and to have the right amount of energy. And if we are not following a balanced diet in our life, then we will have to suffer from nutritional deficiencies which may cause you various diseases. Okay, so I will show you. This is a balanced diet that everyone should follow, like grains, bread, pasta. These are all like carbohydrates. You should include carbohydrates in a large quantity. Then we should go for vegetables, fibrous, vitamins, mineral containing vegetables and fruits in your diet. And next is like milk. Milk gives us calcium, stronger bonds and stronger teeth. And meat, fish, they are very rich in protein, and we should definitely take less fat like oil, sugar and salt. These are the balanced diet pyramid everybody should follow. And now, if you are not following a balanced diet, these diseases may affect you seriously. Like scurvy is a disease that is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. Okay, now my time is getting over. I would like to close today's class. Thank you for hearing. Thank you so much.